Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I received some happy mail. Yay for happy mail. This happy mail is from Cathy Grant. Thank you so much, Cathy, for thinking of me and sending me surprise happy mail. As you can see, her package is decorated in a Halloween theme, so I'm assuming it's Halloween goodies. And it says no trespassing, and she has that wrapped around her priority box, which I thought was really, really fun. So thank you for decorating. Super, super cute. Love the little pumpkin. All right, so I'm gonna dig in and see what's inside, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And she has it wrapped with this no trespassing white tape. How fun is that? Okay, I'm gonna move that off to the side. And it says, greetings from Washington. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that boat. All right, I'm gonna read it off to the side for 1 second. Keep up the wonderful creativity and inspirational videos and posts on Instagram. Thank you for sharing, Cathy Grant. Oh, thank you, Cathy. And she has a handmade by Cathy. Oh, she got the same stamp that I have. Awesome, I love it. Thank you so much for that really pretty card. Okay, so look at her beautiful wand. Wow, this is so cool. It's like a spider web pinwheel. That is awesome. You're gonna have to tell me how you made this. That's really, really fun. And she's got eyelash trim. So I'll be able to add this to my Halloween rosette collection. Yay, I love it. Thank you so much. And then let me just see what this is over here. It looks like, oh, it's another card. Okay, I'm gonna read this off to the side because it's a long letter. And she actually, she said the wrapper glows in dark. Oh, it's some Halloween candy. Oh, that's fun. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. All right, let me dig in. Look how she has it wrapped. She has it wrapped in this, what is this stuff called? The stuff that you decorate your house for Halloween. Oh my gosh, I can't even think, but you guys know what it is. How cool is that? That is so awesome. Thank you so much. I love this little idea of doing that. And she's got a little bag in here. Oh, that's super sweet. And let me just pull this off to the side as well. She had this little goodie box in there with the skeleton. And she has like spiders and, oh, it's a candy. It's a lollipop holder. Oh, that's cute. And look at the eyeball. How fun. My kids will get a kick out of that. Thank you so much. That is so cute. I love this little treat box. Adorable. All right, let me put that off to the side. I really love the way you packaged that. That's so cute. So this bag has my name on it. It says Erica and it's all glittered up. Oh wow, that's really neat. I wonder how you did that. I don't know how she did that, but that is awesome. I love that, and I can reuse this little bag. How cute. Okay, so she has a, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a candle holder. And it has like a little, one of those little lights in there that I can use, but it says Happy Halloween from Scrapdivatwentynine. Oh, look at the witch. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. How did you do that? I have a die that looks like her. Did you use the die and make it a sticker? I wonder if that's what you did. That's awesome. That is so awesome. I love this. Thank you so much. And it's like purple. Yay. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Thank you. I love that. And then she's got a little bit of, she's got some ghost confetti in here that I can use for shakers. Awesome. And then she has something wicked this way comes. Okay, let's see what's in here. She's got it taped down in this box, which I believe she made out of heavyweight cardstock. Oh wow. Let's see what this is. Do what you love. Oh, I love it. Cathy 2018. Oh, thank you, Cathy. I will definitely put this on my desk and it'll be my little catch-all. I have like a few of these little things on my desk. So thank you so much. I love that. That is so super sweet. And I think that is it. Yes, that was some super sweet happy mail. Thank you for being so thoughtful, Cathy. I truly appreciate it. You guys, thanks for watching today's video. Please leave a comment and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.